In this video, we'll start to look at something more simple and very straightforward, is maybe to give it a title. So maybe you are in Chart.JS and you create a chart. You say, well, we have here like this video documentation Chart.JS, but what about a title for the chart? Well, guess what? You can create a chart for your title, or a title for your chart, so no problem. How to do this? Well, you can see here, click here on title and we can start to play around with it. By display, you can see here by default it is false. So how to do this? You can see your options, and in the option you have title, and in the title you can start to do anything you want. It's very easy. So let's start here in the options, and it's fun. Yes, I don't know if you noticed it. I really enjoy this topic, and let's do something crazy. All right, so we have here a title, and what we do in the title, we say display true. Alright, so it will show you, but of course, what is the text? So you see here, position text, so where can we put in the text? Of course, you see here text, that's it. So if you have this activated as true, you will see nothing happens. Why nothing happens? Well, because there is nothing to show. There is what it says here. Let's see what you can see here. Unexpected identified error. Why? Tooltips. Ah, we have no comma here. Yes, so you can see here, make sure you put in commas. There it is, save this, refresh. And once you refresh, we have space between, but there's no title at all. So let's do some crazy titles here. So we say here text, and this is the title text, and in here we'll say, remember this is a string, say, check out this video documentation of Chart.js. It is fun. I hope it is fun. If you don't like it, well, sorry about that. And there you are. So now you can see here we have this, and it's really built in the canvas. That's really fascinating because this is truly in there, and you cannot adjust. There's no function to adjust this, of course, within. So it's no text. It's really like that, and you can see it gets a different color. It gets all these kind of things. So we can adjust this as well. You can make this something more unique. Well, let's see here, line height, padding, font size, so we can make this bold and all kind of stuff. So what we'll do is we just make the font size bigger. Yes, and that's by default it's 12, by the way, so let's make this 20. This should be better. And then what we can do more is position. So I'm going to change the position from top to bottom. Remember, it's a string value. Why? Because this is just a text command. All right, save this. Go back here, and now we have our nice bigger font size title at the very bottom of the chart. Doesn't really look appealing. I like this a bit more, to be honest, because this is just its visual is more appealing to me than this. So maybe a question, should I put this top, bottom, left, right? Well, so far what I've noticed is people read stuff, they look at the picture first and then they read. So what happens if you have text here up, you will skip this text because they look at the picture, and people's habit to read normally is from top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom. At least that's in most countries like that. Assuming that you have this same structure. Of course, if you are in a different country where they read from right to left, of course, then different situation. But if I see most people, you read from top to bottom, so remember that. They did some research, and I think one of these marketing experts did research, and they said the text underneath a picture will be read 30% more often. So that's fascinating. Alright, so you have this here now, and that looks, to be honest, not that appealing. So let's remove this again. So now we don't need this, but you probably know now exactly how to use titles. And that was the whole, or the entire goal of this video.